Hey guys, this is Chef Danish Khan. We will learn how to make a chocolate leaf. Are you ready? Let's see. We got a chocolate leaf, which is real leaf. If you see the veins of the leaves, very nice. Which is tempered chocolate. हमने chocolate इधर melt करके रख लिया है और इसे tempered भी कर लिया है. So now we gonna put a chocolate on the leaf. See, a very thin layer first. So this is 54% cacao solid chocolate which has 36% of fat. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं हम एक थिन लेयर चॉकलेट की लगा रहे हैं. ये है शेफ अक्षय. So he is a chocolatier, my chocolatier. Whatever you see on my Instagram and Facebook, he is someone who put hands. We both and we do have Abba as well. We all make everything together. See, एक लेयर हल्का हो गया है तो इसको थोड़ा ड्राई कर लेंगे. इसके ऊपर एक और हम लगा लेंगे. तो जब तक के लिए ये वाला ड्राई हो चुका है तो इस पर एक बार एक लेयर और लगा लेंगे हम. देखिए एक छोटा ब्रश. तो आप देख सकते हैं कितने तरीके से लगाया जा रहा है. यू कैन सी द स्ट्रोक्स उसी दिशा में है जिस दिशा में लीफ का वेन्स है. सी द डायरेक्शन ऑफ स्ट्रोक्स. Alright, great. Now this is done. This is second layer is done. Now he gonna demold it. So अभी ये वाला demold करके I'll show you कि how it looks like. Wow. Wow. Can you see that? Very thin, very fragile, and looks perfect. So we have learned how to make a chocolate leaf. It's very easy. You can make it at home. If you don't have quechua, you can make with the compound as well. But see the thickness of the leaf is very fragile. Even it's melting in my hand. Can you see that? Beautifully done. Beautifully done. Thank you, Chef Akshay. Thank you, Chef Akshay.
Thank you, sir.
In next video, we will learn something else.